Hi friends, welcome to Nandini Chandar channel. Nandini Chandar channel Kanal Varavu. What we ate at the famous Saravana Bhavan food chain restaurant in Queensland Underwood. That was mango lassi, matti chole. இது இருக்கு பார்.
Wait, is it paneer pakora? It's like paneer tikka, the North Indian version. Wait, is this paneer butter masala? Oh, that one? Yeah. And this one is the soy.
Lawaja.
Yeah.
Sorry, lawaja.
What is this?
Paneer butter masala.
Paneer butter masala.
Sorry, lawaja.
Huh?
Sorry, lawaja.
Huh?
Tawa chop. Amritsari tawa chop.
Amritsar khawa chop.
Yes.
I don't know. This one is cheese naan, cheese and spinach naan. Okay, good. Yeah.
Soft reflection.
What is this? Amritsar.
Amritsari tawa chop. Start practicing how to.
If you like, comment, like, share with your friends and family. Best wishes, all is well. That's cheese chocolate cake. Yummy.